How to buy PEPE coins on Binance. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Binance. Enter a login credential as in your user ID and the passcode and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is, in the search bar, you have to search for PEPE coins. Once you have found, head over to it. And then move into spot. Over here you can see two options. One is buy and the other is sell. As we're looking on how to buy PEPE coins, click on buy. In this section, you can enter the amount of PEPE coins that you want to buy. Once you enter the amount of PEPE coins, it will show you the price of the USDT that you're gonna pay. So what you wanna do is simply click on buy PEPE. After that, your purchase will be successful and then you'll be good to go. So that's it for today, and this is simply how you can buy PEPE coins on Binance. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.